This is a 271 heeled Gage-Matic. It's a 1980 machine, we believe, from the serial number, which is 48164. Somebody has reconditioned the machine. We bought it in this condition. It's got a 17,500 RPM heeled spindle. I'll zoom in on the tag. With a hydraulic chuck. We'll demonstrate the spindle first. Right, we'll start the hydraulics. You can hear the spindle. Even the motor looks like it might have been rebuilt or reworked. All the tags look newer. Changing the speed on the chuck, on the workhead. The workhead does have swivel. See the indicator. Starting the hydraulics. See the dresser in the back side. I'll back up so you can see it feeding. I'll focus back in on that, but you can see it comes in, feeds back, that's your stroke there. Just slowing the workhead down. Does not have a coolant system with it. You see the motor pad. We believe it was a centralized system. That's why there's no coolant system with it. Is that good?